I bring knowledge, experience and humour to the tour guide business.
I am the oldest and wisest of the 5 guides.
DC Tours has been groundbreaking as we went where nobody has gone before in telling the powerful stories in a way that deliberately includes opposing views with compassion and balance.
I'm a respectful, honest person. I love engaging with tourists. I've worked in tourism for over 12 years and tour guiding gives me a first-hand contact with tourists who want to explore the country.
A history of tour is the real deal, completely impartial and professional. Few, if any, troubles-related tours can say that. It is authoritative, intelligent and goes beyond mere facts and figures, allowing our guests to feel the experience at an emotional but safe level.
I was born 10 years before the trouble started and I've lived in the city ever since. So I have a very personal experience of what it's like to live through a normal childhood and then 30 years of anything but normal, back to something that appears quite normal again.
What makes me different? I fuse the passionate raw stories of Belfast people into the intellectual big picture.
I love discovering new places and explaining stories that they may have never heard of.
It gives me the opportunity to give something back to the city I love, to shout from the rafters what the city is capable of doing to itself, yet pointing to the potential for a bright future. It also allows me to learn a lot more about my passion for local history.
Every time I take visitors around the city and tell them about the journey we have been on, and then to show them where we are now, gives me a sense of wonder.
I love what I do because it's real, powerful and cathartic. Belfast needs this. I need this.
I always bring a little bit of humour into my tours. I love what I do because I get to meet people and learn something every day.